My first 3D print taught me a lesson pretty quickly. It worked, and then I broke it. Today's my second print. I'm moving slower, I know what to watch for, and this time printing something that actually means something to me. Let's see how it goes. Of course, with every print we have to start in the slicer. As you can see here, I'm starting to use my character from a D&D campaign that I played for 2.5 years. His name is Zook, he was a blast, and so I of course want to print something that I can throw on my desk at work. I also have a boat in here that's a bath toy for my daughter. I know she'll enjoy it. We then move from the slicing software to the 3D printer itself. After mixing the resin a little bit, I pour it into the printer and prep the machine. We go into our settings, we hit print on the correct object we want to print, and we let it do its thing. 4.5 hours later, this print came out, I would say pretty well. As it's going through the wash station, I'm cleaning up after myself. I don't want to leave any resin out in an unsafe area where I or someone else can handle it. From the wash station, we want to remove all the supports before putting it in the curing station. I have to say, I'm pretty proud of this one. As it's doing its curing process, I'm going to finish cleaning up after myself. This worked. Not because the printer's better, but because I slowed down and paid attention this time. This is the first print that felt intentional, not just a test. The boat didn't quite make it this time, but that's okay. I'll come back to it. This feels like the point I stopped testing and started making. If you found this helpful or relatable, liking the video helps more than you think. And if you want to see where this goes, you can subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.